Yeah, I'm the one that got the scene banging, and I go hard, that's why they keep talking. Yeah.
We hit the club and it's cups full of jealous. We in the bag and we might give it to ya. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. Well, I try to tell you so, yes I did, but I guess you didn't know. As I said, the story goes, baby, now I got the flow, cause I know it from the start. Baby, when you broke my heart, that I had to come again and show you that I win.
Hey guys, so we did make it to the Airbnb, y'all. We are so tired, super tired. Like, I haven't got no sleep. I will give y'all an Airbnb tour. Maybe, like, I don't know, y'all. I'll see how I'm feeling. Girl out on the patio, y'all. Like, what? She got her black Timbs on, like, she not playing.
Bro, these are black.
I mean, she got her black forces on, y'all. She not playing. Whatever. This is the room. Well, we actually got the entire villa to ourselves. The villa on the farm. But, yeah, guys. I did actually show y'all this entire B&B on, TikTok before, but, you know, I'll, put the link to the TikTok and to the Airbnb if you guys are interested. So I'm not even gonna do an entire tour, but just know the house is tea, place is tea. We about to go shower, do our hair, do our makeup, and we about to go outside, y'all. But all right, y'all, we're gonna see y'all when we get dressed. Anyways, queens, this is our view. What the queens will be waking up to every morning. Come outside. Hey y'all, so I just got done with my hair. Really cutesy, like y'all, my hair is really cute. Baby girl just got her hair, so I can't show y'all baby girl hair. But we about to do our makeup, and then we gonna give y'all an OOTD, and then we gonna head out. All right, guys, so we just got done with our makeup. We will give y'all an OOTD, y'all, but we actually hate our dress, bro. Like, we hate this dress. They scammed us. But yeah, our makeup tea, hair tea. Just want to show y'all our looks. Y'all, we actually got my dress still got the tag on.
So does mine.
But yeah, we literally the same person. Like, I thought her outfit was cute, so I'm like, okay, let me get that dress in a different pattern or whatever. And
y'all both right, she came the fuck up.
We hate them.
She disappointed.
Yeah.
So we had to tie it up. Titties still hanging out, like, so unladylike.
But right now, but yeah, we're gonna see y'all at the restaurant.
All those times I said that I love you. Yes, I tried. Yes, I tried. Even though you knew I'd die for you. Yes, I cried. Yes, I cried. Running thanks to take my smile, letting all the people know that I'm back to run the show. Cause what they did, you know was wrong, and all the nasty things you done. So baby, listen carefully while I sing my comeback song. And she said she'd never turn on me. But you did, but you did. All this pain you said I never did. Once again,
so we just left Sharky's. Sharky's was a 10 out of 10. I am tired. Your girl is tired. Like, y'all, I think I've been running off 3 hours of sleep since I left. Since I left America?
No, I'm not.
Anyways, since I left the United States, y'all, I've been surviving off 3 hours of sleep. But comment down below if you like a long nail girly or like you a short nail girly. Like, y'all, this is my first time getting almond nails, and I love them real bad. Like, and I'm a short nail girly because I do hair, but like I'm reconsidering. Like, I don't know, these nails they just super cute. Like, I love them so bad. Oh no, hair tea. Okay. But y'all, we are about to wind down. We will see you girls tomorrow. Tomorrow is Mother's Day, or happy late Mother's Day to you all. So we'll see you girls. We'll see you guys. See you people in the morning. Love y'all. Hey guys. So it is day 2. Today is Mother's Day, May 10th. Baby girl's mom and grandma got massages this morning. Now we about to eat some porridge. This is porridge, guys. I requested some porridge while I was down here. Well, everyone's showering, and now we're putting on like little brunch outfits, and we're gonna have brunch inside. So I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna get dressed, I'm gonna show y'all my outfit. I am basically dressed. I'm gonna show y'all my full outfit in a few. Whatever we're doing, it's basically inside, so I'm not gonna wear no makeup or nothing, but here is tea. But yeah, guys, I just got on this little cute black dress. It's Mother's Day, so we're gonna do like a little dinner. Why do I keep saying dinner? We're going to do brunch inside. We're gonna eat, we're gonna enjoy the moments, and then we outside tonight. Like, we outside today. I know you. We're about to go get some ice cream.
I feel like twerking.
Go ahead.
Ice cream.
She told you stiff like a.
All that I got, pieces and pages, talking a lot, sound like I'm faded, I forgot
So we just left getting ice cream. Now we about to get dressed and we about to go to a car show. But yeah, y'all, we're not gonna do our makeup right now because we finna just go scope the scenery out and see what the vibes is. Y'all told y'all we outside all night, so enjoy the view. Enjoy the show. But yeah, very cute.
Y'all just from Shein. I was trying to think of a designer. Shoes are from Shein.
Mm-hmm.
Shein, G-Shock, Coach. So yeah.
Burlington. You know, just shirts, wedges, Coach watch. I don't know. Bro, who feet outside the window, bro? Oh, he's sleeping? Hey guys, so update. We just left the car show. Y'all, the car show was really fun. Like, I never been to a car show like that. Alright, y'all. I'll see y'all when I get dressed. I'll see y'all in about 2 seconds. Good morning, America. Me and baby girl, we went to sleep when we were supposed to go to the club. Like, the plan was to take a nap, but like, it was over with, y'all. It's that Jamaican rum. Like, y'all, if y'all come here, bro, don't drink that rum late at night, for real, dog. Like, it make you sleepy, for real. Oh, you trying to walk? No, I don't know. I did my makeup, y'all. Don't say I'm crazy. Jamaica is so hot, but it's for the content. Think about the content. And, yeah.
Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, oh you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch, do I know what time it is right now? Yeah. It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you right now. All she talking about is come and see me for once, come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me, you don't ever come to me. All she ever said is come and see me for once, come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me, you don't ever come to me.
I wish I could paint our love, these moments in vibrant. You are like surgeon and gunplay, surgeon and pillow talk, surgeon sweet dreams, turning coffee in the morning. We talk street art, sarcasm, grass you moving high fashion.
Crazy out there, man. Yeah, it was fun, but I don't know how to drive this thing. So I let him drive. You ain't try to drive? I did, but if you drive slow, you get wet, and you drive fast, you lose control.
Call the moon blisters, the plot thickens as we laugh over shotguns and tongue kisses. Bubble bath, you for damn, would you rather? The profane, the dull and no shame. Drugs, sex, and Polaroids, pick a star in the sky. We could both say goodbye. Oh, I wish I could make love each moment survive.
Alright, y'all, we just finished the jet ski and we just rode on a little boat or whatever. But yeah, y'all, we having such a good time.
You was play, turns in gunplay, turns in pillow talk, turns in sweet dreams, turn in coffee in the morning, coffee in the morning. I don't wanna wake you, I just wanna watch you sleep. It's the smell of your hair, and it's the way that we fit. I never felt comfortable. All the souls have found a new religion. Now I'm swimming in that ceiling. Baptism, peach colored skies fulfill a sunrise. To the lost angels discover salvation. Don't you wish we could?
Going out to the hookah lounge tonight. For real, we not gonna go to sleep this time. Alright, y'all, so it's our last night in Jamaica. Yeah, we had fun. So we're gonna go to a hookah lounge, get a little drink, catch a little vibe before we go home tomorrow. So yeah, we're gonna see what the vibe's looking like tonight. If it's not, it's fine. Yeah, we gotta leave at 5:30 in the morning. And it's currently 9:33 p.m. So we're gonna check out the vibes and we're gonna see what's going on.
Hey, what's up?
Y'all, Jimmy is our driver.
He's the best.
He's the best. He's the best, bro. Yeah, we came to the gas station because I want me some snacks and everything is closed. Always need me a few snacks, y'all. No shade. Y'all, it is 11:35. Y'all, Jimmy don't play by us. That's one thing about Jimmy. He don't play by us. Thank you. Alright guys, we're back inside. Your girl is tired, y'all. I've been tired this entire trip. I've been really tired. But we about to wind down, y'all. We have a flight to catch at 5:30 a.m. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my little vloggy vlog. And let me know how y'all think the video quality looks with my extra views. Y'all, I really love this camera. I've been popping it out, flipping it everywhere I've been at. I love you guys. I love you guys so much. And when I get rich, everybody is getting a Birkin. Yes. Love y'all. Bye. Mwah.
When you know you don't